My name is Bo. I feel safe here at Fit East Village, and I'm doing my part to keep you safe. I feel Fit has done an amazing job of implementing the new safety features at this gym. With the alcohol wipes, with everyone wearing masks, and just everybody's cognizant of each other here.
Hi, my name is Zach, and I feel safe here at Fit East Village, and I'm doing my part to keep you safe. So they really stick to this. Every time I come in, I get my temperature checked. I'm always made sure that the capacity is at a certain level, which has been really nice. I feel like there's this common consensus of everyone really wanting things to stay open and work together, and I've really noticed that at Fit, that people are doing a good job of coming together and keeping separation, wiping down equipment so that we can stay open and we can have this normalcy in our lives.
For me, exercise and working out and actually seeing the other people here they're doing their best to be as healthy as they can, release their stress, and I still say hi to my gym community even through the masks. So, just seeing those smiles, seeing those people and releasing those endorphins has helped me tremendously.